This tiny box right here is the ASUS ROG NUC, and ASUS is basically saying, why build a massive gaming PC when you can have this? A full-blown gaming rig in something smaller than a toaster. But after using it as my daily driver for work, gaming, and some questionable late-night stress testing, I realized there are a few things ASUS doesn't exactly shout about. So the real question is this mini monster actually worth your hard-earned cash? ASUS ROG NUC Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the ASUS ROG NUC, released in early 2024, and it's essentially the evolution of Intel's NUC concept, now fully taken over and supercharged by ASUS's Republic of Gamers brand. This is a compact gaming PC, not a laptop, not a console, but a legit desktop replacement aimed at gamers, creators, and power users who want maximum performance in minimum space. The headline feature? You can spec this thing with Intel Core Ultra processors and up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070 laptop GPU, all packed into a chassis that fits easily on your desk or even behind a monitor. ASUS ROG NUC Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use? Short answer, shockingly fast. I use the ROG NUC for everything, from 4K video editing and Photoshop work to long gaming sessions in Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty Warzone. And for a system this small, the performance is seriously impressive. Games run smooth at 1440p, even with high settings and ray tracing enabled in many titles. No random stutters, no weird thermal throttling mid-match. For productivity, exporting videos and multitasking felt snappy and responsive, thanks to the Core Ultra CPU and fast DDR5 memory. Now, here's the honest part. Because this uses laptop-class GPUs, you're not getting full desktop RTX 4070 performance. It's closer to a high-end gaming laptop, but the cooling is better and the sustained performance is more consistent. So you're trading raw power for stability, silence, and size. And for many people, that's a fair trade. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the ROG NUC special. First up, modular internals. You can upgrade the RAM and storage yourself, which is huge for longevity. This isn't a sealed box. You're not stuck with today's specs forever. That means down the line, you can throw in more storage for games or creative projects without replacing the whole system. Second, connectivity. You're getting Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6E, and a solid selection of USB ports. Translation, you can run multiple high-refresh monitors, fast external SSDs, and even an external GPU enclosure if you're feeling spicy. Third, ASUS ROG Tuning. The included software lets you tweak performance modes, fan curves, and RGB lighting. It's not just gamer fluff. It actually lets you balance noise and performance depending on whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing at midnight. Design and build. Aesthetically, ASUS absolutely nailed it. The ROG NUC has that clean, aggressive, but not too much gamer look. It's mostly matte black with subtle RGB accents that you can tone down or turn off completely if you want a stealth setup. The build quality feels solid and premium, not plasticky or cheap. Vent placement is smart, airflow is well thought out, and it doesn't scream for attention on your desk. Size-wise, it's honestly wild how small this thing is. You can toss it in a backpack, move it between setups, or mount it behind a monitor. Just know, it's small, but it still feels like a serious piece of hardware. Pros: clean, premium ROG design, upgradable RAM and storage, excellent port selection including Thunderbolt. Cons: laptop-class GPU limits peak power. Not ideal if you love frequent GPU upgrades. Final verdict. So who is the ASUS ROG NUC actually for? Look, if you're a gamer or creator who wants a clean, compact setup without building a full-size PC, this thing is a no-brainer. It's perfect for small apartments, minimalist desks, or anyone tired of giant towers. It's also great if you want desktop-level performance with laptop-level efficiency and noise control. But if you're the type who upgrades GPUs every generation or wants the absolute best FPS per dollar, a traditional desktop build will still give you more raw power for less money. The ASUS ROG NUC isn't trying to be the cheapest option, it's trying to be the cleanest, smartest one.
And honestly, at what it's designed to do, it absolutely delivers.